Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Well, I wish that all of you are very fine today. For this meeting, Postny just make confirmations about our um, lab work, yeah, oral presentation here. Uh, for this meeting, I just make a confirmation about your task. A previous meeting that Pak Husni had asked all of you that you have to make your slide or PPT here. And then I just want to make confirm that Hadi, how about you? Have you made your task yet? Sudah?
I already make
Oh,
it.
okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Yeah. Uh, I'm so sorry that I just operate the UBL because previous day Posni tried to make a what is it make a assignment, but it didn't run. I don't know, perhaps there was a error, in system. So today in the morning that post need, yeah try it again, to operate the task. Then thanks God that finally, succeed in what is it operating, and then in making the time schedule that students must enter the PPT or slide. Okay, and then all of you that you have to enter the UBL. Yeah. Okay, have you joined the UBL today? Hello.
I already joined UBL, sir.
Okay, I think that you can see the task that Adi. Have you seen the task that Pak Usni uploaded?
Uh, yes, sir.
Okay, okay, that for this meeting, just make sure, for this day, okay, we don't make what is it a presentation student by student, but also Posni wants to make the confirmation, of your task here. Well, I want to ask again, what is your title, Hadi, that you have made about the presentation?
Budget traveling around the world, sir.
Pardon?
Uh, Budget traveling around the world.
Okay, traveling around the world. Okay, that's good. Okay, then Posni will see the PPT. Yeah. Before presenting that, uh, Posni will examine one by one of student tasks. Yeah, students tasks here. Then after that, yeah, I'm not sure that if, yeah we can do, yeah uh, personally student by student that perform for this meeting, or yeah we can not do, in this meeting, for the next meeting, because there is announcement that, there is what is it time schedule for student, they are off, or for what is it for meeting the final test. But we can make a conditional, situation, so for this meeting for the lab, if we can do, yeah if student cannot do the presentations one by one in this Zoom meeting for the next, I think that you just make sure that, you just try to, yeah make your own presentation, perhaps, yeah uh, you can self-confidence, except you make a presentation in this, in the Zoom. Perhaps you are nervous, but if you alone, and then I think that you have self-confidence, to do that, because there is no participants. Then in this meeting, I think there are many your friends, your participants. uh, I think, it's not highest confidence, then you, do alone about the presentation. But we make what is it, flexible, flexible of the task here. But the first thing that your task, your presentations of the oral presentation subject, you have to collect, because that one of the requirements to get the scores. And then Postney will see, don't be ashamed, don't be shy to make a presentation, to speak, try to do the best, your own best. And then every students, they have a different, style speaking. But Postney will, what is it, will examine, will watch from your uh, process, of making the PPT slide until you make a good speaking. Okay. If you have done the instructions, don't be afraid that, yeah the highest scores will be given to you. Okay. The most important thing that you have to collect your task. Okay, Adi, about the traveling here. And then how about Widya? Widya, okay, what is your title? Postly want to make sure again. Hello,
Yeah,
your title of presentation. What is the subject? What is the field? Tourism,
journalism.
journalism. Okay, yeah, it's about journalism. Okay, have you made your task?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Widya. And then
Yes.
Marsanda. Hello, Marsanda.
Hello, sir.
Okay, what is the title of your presentation that will be presented?
The impact of COVID-19 pandemic on education.
Okay, the impact. What is the field that
Oh,
journalism?
education, ma'am.
Pardon?
Education.
Education.
Teaching.
Okay, okay, but teaching. Yeah, okay, okay,
Yeah.
about education. Yeah, teaching. Okay, the impact. Perhaps that there is what is it? The problem and solution. Maybe that you are going to, explain. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, Marsanda. Okay, about the journalism, tourism, education. Okay, yeah, that's good. And then Sandra Tantri. Hello, Sandra. Are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. What is your topic presentation that will be presented next?
Tourism.
Pardon?
Tourism.
Tourism. What is the title? The specific title.
Uh, uh, I'm not making a title. I'm not. Aku belum bikin judulnya, sir.
Why? Yeah. As soon as
Um,
possible. Yeah. You have to
yes.
make, and then Posni will be waiting for your task, and
Sir.
then you have to collect, because before presenting, and then Pausni will examine, yeah, and then give the suggestions. If your PPT is good, okay, and then you can do by yourself. It means that you can make your own presentation by yourself, or for the if we have the meeting, perhaps from this meeting that one or two students that are ready, yeah, to make a presentation, okay, they will, yeah, do the task. Okay, we see that what is it, the information from the faculty, yeah, about the what is it, of and uh, what is it, running of still our study, yeah, study. Okay, yeah, Sandra, you have to make, yeah, as soon as possible. Okay, Sandra. Okay, I want to make sure that what is the field of study that you are going to explain in your presentation.
Pardon me, sir.
Yeah, what is the title that you are going to make? You are going to write for
Uh,
your presentation.
about Indonesian, uh, Indonesian, mm,
Okay, if you
the
still
best
have
Indonesian place
confused, yeah,
to, yeah,
okay, I think that you have to make sure that, yeah, you have to find the right title, and then the specific, yeah, the specific title, like
yes, sir.
your friend, yeah, like Hadi, that traveling around the world, and then education of COVID-19, okay, and then about the journalism, something like that, but the specific one that you have to explain, yeah. Okay, and then in general, that what is the field of the study? Tourism, journalism, or teaching that you are
Tourism,
going to.
sir.
Pardon?
Tourism.
Tourism. Okay. Tourism. That, yeah, you try to find your what is it? Your area that, like for example, the interesting tourist resort in your uh, hometown or your city that can uh, give the information, yeah, from your presentation, I think, yeah. If the tourism or many other thing, yeah, the interesting place or real interesting, yeah, what is it, tourist object in your, yeah, place. Okay, but the tourism, yeah, you have to make a tourism. Are you sure that becomes your task?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, okay, I'll be waiting for your task. Okay, Siti.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the object that you are going to make a presentation?
Journalism.
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 Okay, journalism. What is the information that you will give? It will be given for the audience.
Advantage and disadvantage of ebook. Maybe
Oh, the advantage of ebook.
ebook. Yes.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay, we will wait for your information about the ebook. Perhaps there is, yeah, open access, yeah, ebook that free, yeah, because many students, yeah, they don't know, yeah, how to find the free, yeah, perhaps, yeah, many information about ebook, yeah, we have to pay, yeah, like for example PayPal, and then one we can get, yeah, if you can give the information about the free ebook for the student. I think it is very useful for us, yeah. The information is very important. Okay, thank you very much, yeah, Siti, about the journalism. Well, I think, yeah, all of you, yeah, you have what is it, as the what is it, a candidate, yeah, what is it, as the student representative, yeah, from your class. Okay. Before we close, is there any question? Is there any question? Ada yang ditanyakan? Silahkan.
Izin bertanya Bapak,
Ya, oke, silahkan.
untuk pengumpulan tugasnya bisa bikin video gitu atau gimana ya Pak ya? Jadi,
Ya, oke. For the task, atau bagaimana ini sebelum mengumpulkan, kita kan ini ada beberapa pertemuan lagi ya, karena memang lab itu ya, itu what is it, we are the latest ya, latest class ya. Eh, jadi harus di apa, menunggu kelas dulu baru dibagi untuk labnya ya. Nah di sini mungkin ya, ini sepertinya for all student that I think it is impossible for you to make your own presentations ya in this meeting. Perhaps ya, that will be a task for you ya. Jadi mungkin ini menjadi sebagai tugas. Nah ini ya, you try to make what is it, presentations. Take for example, Hadi wants to explain about tourism. Okay, you are as if a guide ya, jadi seolah-olah menjadi seorang guide to give the information to make sure for the participant ya. Jadi and then make as good as possible ya, buat sebagus mungkin ya, tidak usah lama-lama durasinya ya, misalnya 3 until 4 minutes. Nah 3 sampai 4 menit saja ya. Nah paling lama mungkin 5 minutes ya, kalau itu sudah lama ya mungkin. Nah nanti dibuat sebagus mungkin ya. Nah jadi tasnya. Nah di sini what is the values that Pausni will give to you. The first that yeah, of course your performance about the PPT. Okay, if you make a good one, yeah, it means that good PPT, yeah. And then the second one, yeah, your performance, yeah. Okay, take for example, you are as a guide. Hadi, you can use the formal guide or informal guide. Yeah. Okay, you can use form like what is it? Alma mater clouds, ya, yaitu menggunakan boleh ya, dengan jas. Nah itu yang meyakinkan, dan nanti di situ okay, as good as possible about the performance. And then the third one ya, about the your speaking ability. Ya, it means that speaking ability ya, your what is it, intonation ya, what is it, about the pronunciation ya, it is connected with the class that ya, Pak Usni has explained ya about the phonology, and then Pak Usni will see that ya, about the pronunciation. But don't be afraid ya, if you think that it's hard to say the word, no problem ya, because every student they have different pronunciation. But the most important thing that you have tried yeah, the best one for your presentation. Okay, mostly we'll see yeah, the student from different perspective. It means that take for example a student yeah, he is good in performance and all of the good one, and the B student yeah, just what is it, just a simple performance speaking, but yeah, all of them they can get a higher score because personally of the student, they have different, different, what is it, speaking, different pronunciation, okay. You don't have to, what is it, you don't have to worry that, you try to do the best, okay. Hadi, there are 3 points, that becomes the scoring. Silakan, ada lagi, apakah jelas?
Baik Bapak, terima kasih sudah jelas.
Oke, itu yang lain, Mas Sanda, Widya, Siti, Sandra, is there any questions? Ada yang ditanyakan?
Cukup jelas, Pak.
Oke ya. Nah, nanti kalau setelah semua terkumpul, I will make a permissions to you all of your tasks, semuanya, semuanya itu tidak dipilih. Oh, ini bagus, tidak. No, all of the student tasks, mostly will make a combination for promoting our English department. And then it will be announced, it will be uploaded in Sastra English, what is it, YouTube. And then okay, please, I think that you can give a permission, okay. Don't you don't have to be like the previous, like the past student that mostly has asked the permission to upload it, but I don't know, who student that make what is it, there is a community that they don't like, and then so there is what is it, the warning from the YouTube that it is as one of, what is it, breaking the rule, Nah, jadi di sini nanti every student task, there will be a cut of the sessions from your presentations. Nah, nanti tuh misalnya take for example, Hadi durasinya 3 minutes, tidak 3 menit. Nanti ada tayangan-tayangan the important saja, the most important, what is it, scene. Nah, itu akan diambil potongannya, nanti akan digabungkan semuanya, itu akan menjadi satu, what is it, movie, dan itu akan ditampilkan sebagai a promotion of English department. It means that this is English students that has made a good speaking and pronunciation in English. Nah, itu tujuannya nanti, jadi izin sebelumnya. Nah, ini jadi akan ditayangkan begitu untuk promotion our English department begitu.